Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain the rank function in Microsoft Excel using this table. So I have prepared this table where I have a column name, then score, then rank column where we will use the rank formula. So for the rank formula we will type equals to then rank. So here you can see you are getting three options, but for now we will select the only rank formula, the third one. We will double click on it and the bracket is open now, and you can see there are three options. The first is number, then the reference, then the order. So first we will select the number and then comma, then we will select the reference. So the reference here is the score column. We will select the whole score column, and now we will lock this score column by pressing F4. Right, so now the score column is locked, comma, now it is showing two options, descending and ascending. So as you can see, 750 is the highest score in this column. So if I select option descending, then it will give rank 1 to 750, and if I select the option ascending, so it will give rank 14 to this 750. For now we will select 0, which is ascending, and bracket close and press enter. So now it has given rank 1 to 750 because we have selected descending order. Now we will go to the bottom right and drag this cell till 605. So it has given ranks to this course in descending order. But now you can see all these ranks are jumbled now. So we will now sort this table based on these ranks, and we will select this table. Please note I have selected the headers as well, and we will go to the data tab, and under sort and filter section we will go to sort button. It will open the sort window. We have three options here. One is sort by, so we have to sort by column rank. So we will select column rank. It has to be based on values, and it has to be based on the order of smallest to largest. We will then press OK. So now the data has been sorted on the basis of rank in ascending order. So guys, I hope you find this video useful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.